Carla Elkabir and Joe Thomas. Realty World All-Stars of Rancho Cucamonga has quickly grown to become the top Realty World in the Inland Empire. Our mission is to create a warm, family-style environment that offers support, knowledge, and training dedicated to satisfy the needs of the best real estate agents in our industry. Our mission is to help our professionals achieve their goals on their journey to financial independence.
To accomplish this, we sought out a brand that would enhance our image, a company that promotes goodwill. We also needed a brand that is instantly recognizable to the consumer and a franchise focused on creating an environment of success for our agents and for our company. Realty World fit all of our requirements.
We believe that when an agent's primary concern is on the needs of their clients, the money will come. This is the principle that defines the type of agent we hire at All Stars. We adhere to a culture that is rigid in its minimum standards and focus not on the short term, but rather on the future. We expect our agents to embrace our attitudes and work ethic.
In challenging times, it is natural to cut back on expenses. The first cut most companies make is to their marketing. At Realty World, we believe we have an obligation to promote our brand and our agents. So while others have made drastic cuts to their marketing, All Stars has actually expanded its budget. There's no other local brokerage that comes close to matching our marketing efforts.
We were among the first to recognize the benefit of syndicating our listings. While others today are satisfied with exposure on 8 to 10 websites, we're now syndicating to over 30 primary and thousands of secondary websites, and the list continues to grow. This has given us a consistent source of leads for our agents.
All-Star also recognizes the importance of indirect networking, and we now operate 2 public blogs as well as a private blog for our agents. We monitor and post on social networks like Facebook, LinkedIn, and ActiveRain. Technology, when simple, is beneficial. We believe that most agents don't have time to learn how to implement complicated technology. When there's a large learning curve needed to realize a definite benefit, All Stars provides the tech for our agents. We have an automated system that produces virtual tours for all of our listings. We also produce agent-branded videos designed to drive business directly to our listing agents.
Our marketing tools for agents stands out, and we believe they truly are outstanding.
It's your business. We allow for and encourage agent personal contact information to be used along with our Realty World brand. Together, we create a powerful presence that drives business to our agents.
Our e-card and postcard system is designed to simplify your marketing efforts. When coupled with automated mailings, agents have a consistent, easy-to-monitor, implemented marketing plan in action.
Realty World's national and international marketing is dedicated to building our brand. From our international referral base to our national and regional media marketing, Realty World is focused on enhancing brand awareness and driving business to the franchise. In addition to their public website, Realty World produces a private site just for agents and brokers called The Insider. This private website is jam-packed with Realty World systems and tools, many of which are unique to the real estate industry.
Our All Stars website is designed to feature and promote our associates. And unlike companies that offer their agents one generic vanity page, our agents are represented in multiple areas throughout our website. In addition, we offer many low-cost enhanced agent sites that take advantage of our powerful syndication system.
If you can use email, you can take advantage of our company eFax system. Now, it is no longer necessary to drive into the office just to pick up your faxes. Our system will deliver them to the email address you choose. When you combine the Realty World set of tools with our All-Stars marketing systems, scripts, tutorials, informational blogs, and at-home convenience, you begin to see why our agents are so successful.
In everything we do, we know that there's always room for improvement. Our agents are always looking for ways to enhance their skills, and we encourage them to attend our classes, webinars, and focus groups. At Realty World, we do not charge our agents for world-class training.
The physical plant was designed to provide our agents with all the elements they need to conduct business in a professional way. At All-Stars, it's all about choice. Work at home, work at the office, or even conduct your business from a Starbucks. Our systems make it possible. Our intranet makes it practical.
At All-Stars, we don't believe in wasting agents' time by holding unnecessary meetings, so we've condensed our office meetings to one time per month. These meetings are thoughtfully planned and visually enhanced on our big screen monitor. And while we expect our agents to attend every meeting, we know that emergencies do occur. Handouts and video summaries are always posted on our private network for our agents who may have missed the meeting.
But more important, we believe our agents should have a good time. Our business is often challenging. It has its ups and its downs. We know that the happiest agents are those who achieve balance in their lives. And while we realize it is not our job to create that balance, we do try to host events that are fun to attend and offer a break from the day-to-day challenges inherent in our profession.
We are proud of our agents and their accomplishments. At Realty World, we know that the right agent truly makes all the difference in the world.